Hey guys, this is Blake Schwank again with another Cyber Saturday. I'm here with my friend Kevin Bassett, who has what's your business?
We own a CPA firm in North Carolina.
And so Kevin and I were just talking about the issue of people, sending an urgent request for a check from a business, and someone in the business actually writing that check and sending it off. Especially here with us in Hawaii. I frequently talk about I don't like auto replies because then it lets people know that you're out of town, and people then businesses then do research on your business and request urgent money from somebody in the business. So Kevin has a way that he does it to protect his business. Kevin, how do you guys do it at your CPA firm?
Yeah, so what we do and what we advise our clients to do is just do 2 check runs a month. And whether that's old school checks or through bill pay, something like bill.com, just do it twice a month. So it has to go through a process. The bookkeeper may enter all the bills in your accounting system, but someone senior needs to actually be that second set of eyes and authorize them, whether that's the owner or an operations manager, someone senior with decision-making authority. Because not every bill that goes in the system should even be paid in the first place. It may be a fake invoice, and certainly don't reply to emails and pay that way. It could be a phishing scam.
No, that's great. So my wife and I are the partners in the business, and so we're the only ones with signature authority, and that's hopefully that's not too loud on us, but but now we don't actually physically sign checks anymore. Not like our parents used to, right?
Yep.
It's usually just thrown in the system. So how do you how do we do that if both her and I are gone for 2 or 3 weeks?
Yep, so that's where you'd have a more senior person that also is on the signature card. We have that. So we have my most senior person at my firm also has signature authority. That way, if something happens to me, either temporarily or permanently, the firm can still function and sign checks. And then that person is the second set of eyes with signature authority. Yeah,
because really all it takes is a second set of eyes most of the time to say, ooh, wait a minute, because most of these scams, they have urgency built into them so that you don't take the time to reach out.
Exactly right. And a bookkeeper's afraid they'll get in trouble because they missed something and they'll pay it, and then the company's out of money.
Yeah. And really most businesses never have super urgent needs to pay a check. They can't wait 2 or 3 weeks. No one's going to kick you out on the street. Now some suppliers, some maybe a restaurant or something with perishable goods. But other than that, most businesses, service businesses, don't need to write a check right now. Worst case is you're going to pay some penalties for a late payment. So be careful out there. And Kevin, I appreciate your insight and wisdom and friendship. And everybody have a great rest of your week. If you need a great IT company, give us a call at Colorado Computer Support, 719-439-0599 or www.coloradosupport.com. And Kevin, I know you're busy and not taking clients right now, right?
Nope, but good luck. Just work with your CPA and use good financial discipline. Good luck.
All right. Have a great week.